Hi, I'm Holly Davies, founder and director of STEM Venturi. I'm a chartered engineer, a wife and a mother to a very energetic toddler. I have just over 8 years experience working in the aerospace industry as a manufacturing engineer, and whilst I was doing that job I was also doing a lot of STEM ambassador activity alongside it. Now STEM stands for Science, Technology, Engineering and Maths, and the role of the STEM ambassador is to provide support to teachers and young people and get them introduced to and excited about the world of STEM. I set up STEM Venturi to get people excited about coding and technology. At the current time, we're setting up during the coronavirus pandemic. All of our sessions are virtual, but in the future they will be physical as well. STEM Venturi is a not-for-profit organisation, and what I mean by that is any money that we make from our activities goes straight back into the business. We're set up in this way to allow us to apply for grants for our work, but also to allow those who want to work with us to also apply for those grants to be able to pay for our services. I think it's really crucial that we get kids confident and excited at quite a young age around various subjects. They're going through some really pivotal decision points between the ages of sort of 12 up to 16 in terms of which subjects to take, which to drop, and then big career choices. Do they go to university? Do they not? And what careers would they like to follow? And I really believe that at that young age, if we can get them confident and we can get them doing lots of problem solving and being really creative, then that will stand them in really good stead for the future. Have a look around the website, have a look at what we've got on offer. You've met me now, so if you have any questions, please just get in touch. I really look forward to working with you.